Alright guys, there's date and time on the Garmin Frontier 620. And in my previous video I rode these glass elevators, which were originally installed as Westinghouse but then got modernized by ThyssenKrupp. So sadly I missed a mod. But now that we rode those elevators already, you'll notice that there's the main entrance to the building, and it's got like the sign on the door saying caution automatic door, or to indicate that there's a handicap switch. But you notice there are stairs that go down from that level to that level. And if you were handicapped, the way to get from between these two floors is through this wheelchair lift. It's really interesting how they painted yellow. But this wheelchair lift is a National Wheel-O-Vator. And with that said, let's go take a ride on it. So before we ride, I'll get a quick cab view of it. And just an average sized wheelchair lift. There's some more information here. And it looks like, I believe DME Elevators and Lifts does maintenance on it, and that National Wheel-O-Vator, manufactured it. There's a number you could call for, I guess, maintenance services. And here you got your emergency phone. And here's the distance between this floor and that floor right there. And not a really long distance, but based on the way they built this building, they add this wheelchair lift so that way people that are handicapped can transfer from that floor to that floor. And with that said, guys, let's take this thing on for a spin. So here we go. Alright, so here we are at the entrance level. So now we're going to turn our attention to this side, going down. So we're back down. And wow, I'm actually quite impressed by the way this ran. Normally wheelchair lifts are known for running like roughly, but this one actually runs pretty smooth. So this, I guess, is one of those examples of a wheelchair lift that, that is in decent condition. So now we're gonna point the camera at this. Now we're gonna take another ride while pointing the camera at this angle. So here we go. Zero up top. Now let's ride down to the bottom from this angle. And here we're back down. As you also noticed, another thing I noticed is that, well, I can't demonstrate right now because I opened the door, but I actually did not have to reset the door in order to make the lift go the opposite direction. So that's another bonus that this thing has. There's, looking at the lift from here, there seems to be a breaker switch here made by eaten. So I guess if you if you were to pull this down, it would shut off power to the lift. So yeah. We're going to take a look at the wheelchair lift from here. There go the ThyssenKrupp elevators chiming, and there also goes the motor doing its thing. Anyways, here's what the lift looks like from here. And yeah, that was a pretty cool ride on it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and that'll be it.